Whether you need extra cash or dream of turning a side hustle into a full-time gig down the road, these side hustle ideas are worth exploring. The great thing is you can do these alongside your regular work hours, whether it's a 9 to 5 or something more flexible. Number 1, rent out your spare space. If you've got an extra room in your place or you're going away for a few weeks, renting it out could be a smart move, especially if you live in a high tourist city. A service like Airbnb connects homeowners with travelers looking for unique stays that could be more affordable and convenient than hotels. Starting small with one spare room is a great way to earn passive income. And if you're ambitious, scaling up to multiple rooms or even investing in a dedicated rental can boost your earnings further. There would be some initial work involved, like furnishing or sprucing up your space before listing it. If you're not keen on having others in your space, you could look into renting storage space. Think about the basement or garage you barely use. People need space for all their stuff. The storage industry is booming. It's set to reach up to $64 billion by 2026. That means this income opportunity isn't going away anytime soon. Platforms designed for storage rentals handle payments securely and provide contracts, which makes managing the rental hassle-free and safe for both parties. 2. Rent out your car. Your home isn't the only thing you can rent out for extra income. You can also put your car to work with services like Turo. If you use your car for ride-sharing, platforms like Carvertise or Rapify let you earn money by turning your vehicle into a rolling billboard. Alternatively, you could consider leasing your car to someone who needs it for Uber or Lyft. Instead of driving it yourself, let your car earn for you. Now, this next option isn't available to everyone, but you could rent out your parking spaces as another way to generate passive income with minimal effort. Again, let's say you live in a high-tourist downtown area with a desirable parking location. You could list your spot on a parking sharing platform or local ads, and renters looking for convenient parking could pay you, creating a steady income stream with little maintenance on your part. 3. Start a YouTube channel. It's never too late to start a YouTube channel, but don't expect immediate rewards. With 2.7 billion monthly users and growing, there's a massive audience waiting to discover your content. But it takes a lot of upfront effort with little initial payoff. If you're willing to put in the work, though, and think long-term, a successful YouTube channel could bring in significant passive income. As your content, clicks, and views grow, so do opportunities like affiliate sales, sponsorships, branded content, and ad revenue. Plus, a YouTube channel could be the gateway to branching out into additional areas like podcasting or blogging. 4. Become a tutor. Teaching will never go out of style, and there will always be someone who could use the help. Teaching can be really rewarding, especially with online platforms like Cambly, TutorOcean, Preply, and Learn2Be, making it easier than ever to connect with students. There's a growing demand for tutoring services, including test prep and homework help, with the market projected to grow 5.2% annually until 2027. To maximize your tutoring income, create an online course. It requires upfront effort, but once it's up and running, it can bring in passive income consistently. To do this side hustle, figure out what subjects or skills you're best at, then start finding students through online tutoring platforms or local schools. 5. Freelancing. The ability to monetize your already existing skill set can be a game changer when it comes to side hustles. Whether you're a graphic designer, writer, editor, website developer, or have skills in mechanics, bookkeeping, video editing, interior decorating, or real estate, there's a market for your expertise. Start by promoting your services to friends and family on social media and through email. It's free and effective. You can also find clients on freelancer platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer.com, which handle project management and payments for you. Eventually, having your own website adds a professional touch, allows you to showcase your work, and makes it easy for clients to pay you online using services like Square. 6. Pet walking or sitting. Did you know that as of 2024, 40% of American households own at least one dog? 62% of households have a pet of some sort, and 35% of those have more than one. If you're an animal lover, there's opportunity to provide care for these animals. You could start walking dogs around your neighborhood, or if you work from home and have a yard, you could provide daycare for owners who don't want their pets home alone. If you've got the space, you could also provide overnight or vacation boarding for pets for owners. 7. Mobile car washing and detailing. If you enjoy working outdoors and being outside, mobile car washing and detailing can be a great side hustle. You can offer your services to homeowners or partner with local businesses that have fleet vehicles or want to treat their employees to regular car washes. Getting started is fairly affordable. You'll mainly need cleaning supplies, a good hose and nozzle, and of course, a vehicle. For booking gigs and getting paid, apps like Mobile Wash and Spiffy can help, or you can handle bookings and payments yourself using Square. 8. Local handyman. Are you the go-to person among your friends for fixing things around the house? Why not turn that skill into a side hustle? You can help neighbors tackle their home improvement tasks in your spare time. You can enhance your credibility and protect both yourself and your clients by getting insured and bonded, though it's not always required. The costs to start are minimal, especially if you already have your own tools. Apps like Thumbtack and TaskRabbit and Angie can help you find and manage jobs and handle payments, or you can handle bookings and payments independently using programs like Square. 9. Create social media content. Social media is a booming industry, and businesses, big and small, often need help crafting their online presence. Whether you love Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, TikTok, Facebook, or any other platform, there's likely someone out there looking for a content creator just like you. The beauty of creating social media content as a side hustle is that you can often plan and schedule it ahead of time. So if you've got a free afternoon, you can create and schedule posts for a client to go out all week long. It's perfect for people who enjoy creating eye-catching visuals and engaging posts. There's plenty of demand for this kind of work, whether you find gigs on platforms like Upwork or through direct contracts with businesses. 10. Rent out your tools. If you've got tools or gear sitting around that you don't use all the time, consider renting them out. It's a great way to earn some extra cash without much effort. People often need things like power tools or painting equipment for projects, but don't want to buy them outright as they're only doing them for one project. You can advertise your tools for rent on places like Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, and local community groups. Make sure you have an organized way to keep track of the rental, and if the equipment is expensive, don't be afraid to ask for a deposit up front. 11. Childcare and babysitting. You probably already know. Some families have parents who work odd hours or just need a night out without the kids. Offering to babysit on those occasions can be a great side hustle when you've got spare time. If you're thinking about taking this option, get certified in first aid and CPR, especially for kids. You can usually find classes through local agencies or community groups, and you'll need a recent criminal background check, which you can get from the police department. There are also courses and certifications specifically for babysitting and childcare. But what matters most to parents is often who you are and how responsible you are. So have references available for them to check. Some parents find babysitters through word of mouth from friends or neighbors, but apps like Care.com or Babysits.com are also popular. You can even offer extra value by helping with homework or organizing fun activities for the kids. 12. Video editing. Much like the social media content creation side hustle, the creator economy has really taken off, especially with platforms like YouTube, Instagram Reels, and TikTok driving sales for tons of businesses. Video content is huge right now. Lots of adults watch short videos every day, and nearly 70% of young adults are into it too. Because of all of this, there's a big demand for skilled video editors who can make professional and effective videos. Believe it or not, even if you're not super tech savvy, you can learn video editing in just a couple of weeks. Freelance video editors are earning around $31 an hour on average, with more experienced editors making closer to $100 per hour. Spend a few hours editing videos during the week, and you can easily pull in an extra $1,000 a month. Add some weekend hours, and you might boost that to nearly $2,000 extra monthly. As always, do your research before you get into any of these ideas and double-check your local rules and regulations. But did we miss anything? Got any other cool side hustle ideas? Drop them in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.